1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Start the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. We're going to C prep on 5, 6, 7. We're going to give her a double turn, hammer lock in the right hand as guys do a reverse right. 1, go 2, 3. Count to the right back charge. 5, 6, 7. So from here we're going to give her a Copa. 1, bring her forward. 2, turn her on 3. We're going to stop her on the shoulder. 5. Now we're going to step back as we flick the hand behind the back. 6. Now on 7, I want to start pulling to actually start turning. 7. So on 1, the left hand's going to catch her left hand behind the back and set to the side. 1. I'm going to start unwinding her on 2, then set to the side. 2. On 3, I'm going to grab her from the shoulder, step back in this direction. 3. Get in front of her, back charge. 5, 6, 7. From here, we're going to do a Copa. On 1, we're going to, right hand's going to meet the left hand on 2 as we hook. We're going to go back to back on 3. Follow her 5, double drink 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7, start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body. 1, 2, 3 to prep. 5, 6, 7. Double to the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Copa on 1, 2, turn 3, 5, prep, 7. Now 7, you're going to start turning to the right. You're going to open on 1 to the right, then unwind to the left, that way on 2. Cross in front on 3 as you back up on 5, 6, 7. Copa. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Everybody, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hi guys, it's Angie from Casa Salsa. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out our other free videos with tips and tricks for the dance floor. Make sure you subscribe to the link below so you don't miss any of our new upcoming content. And if you look in the description, you'll find a link to our website to get access to exclusive content. And if you want to take a live class with us, you can do so as well. Link on the description. See you next time.